Alright, so here we go. Here is a room tour of Gondola Vista Unit 5. So here's your front door entry. It's keyed, obviously, so you can get in. We are moving all of our luggage around. As you come in, this is going to be your entryway. Nice seating area. You can store your shoes under there, anything else you need. And then, of course, right to the right, which is really nice, is a full closet. So you can put all your winter gear, shoes, snow boots, skis, anything like that. So as you enter, as we walk in here, directly across is going to be full washer, dryer, nice sink for in there, coat rack. To your left is going to be a really nice feature here, a full garage. So if you want to park your car in here, if it's snowing, park your car in here. So full garage, ping pong paddle, ping pong table. Now this is going to be level 1. It's more of a living area. It's a little seating area there. That's your stairwell. So we go down here. This is going to be bedroom number 1 on the right hand side. This is going to be your queen bed. Pretty standard queen. They all have a closet, which is really nice. So you've got a full closet with a laundry, which is kind of cool. So that's your full bedroom right there. Sorry for a little bit of the mess. We are just now moving in. So that is your first bedroom. A beautiful view of outside. I mean, look at that view you get. Just stunning. You'll be able to watch the gondolas go as the day progresses. You have your standard seating chair. And obviously you're going to have 2 nightstands. So that is going to conclude the first bedroom. And then as we exit and continue on, your next bedroom on the left, this is going to be like a master suite. So another queen bed. And then as we head on this way, this is going to have a full attached bath, which is really nice. So here's your full attached bath. Nice, beautiful walk-in shower. That's your room right there. So as we exit the bathroom, wow, this has a full closet with actually, this is a built-out closet, which is kind of cool. Here's your full built-out closet. That's pretty nice. So you get a full built-out closet, luggage holder. And then as we pan this way, again, room. Full-size mirror, which is always nice. TVs, nightstands. And then this is going to be where your entry to your hot tub is. So these rooms all come with a beautiful back porch. Really nice back porch. And then there's your hot tub. Hopefully that's hot. We'll have to get that going. But look at this serenity out back that you're looking out onto. I mean, that is just stunningly beautiful. So as we walk into this room, as you come out, you're going to walk left. Here's your queen, as Dad stated. So we've got a standard queen, nightstands, another full built-out closet. So look at this. I mean, they do a great job with these built-outs. So another full built-out closet. This room does not have the mirror to it. So that is only going to be in the main masters. And there you go. So that is your third bedroom. And this is going to have your shared bath right here. So again, that's the king bed. And then this is going to be your shared bath. Nice, another big mirror. Needless to say, a beautiful bath. So that is the downstairs. All right, so now we are going to head upstairs. Wow, beautiful. So here's exactly what you walk into. A full-size, let me get a pan of this. Full-size kitchen. Looks like you've got a range. Living room. Huge kitchen table. Full couch with a large television. All right, so as we would have came up the stairs, this would be your master bedroom. All right, so as we enter the master here, it's going to be a full chest of drawers, full king-size bed, his and hers nightstands, a full mirror, full-size mirror, which is always nice, a sitting chair. Wow, this actually has a fireplace, which is kind of cool. So you get yourself a fireplace. Then here's going to be your ensuite master bath. Wow, so this has his and her sinks, Gonna have a full, beautiful bathtub. Look at all the marbling. And as we turn around here, that is gonna be your, obviously your toilet. That is going to be your full shower. And then, wow, they get a full walk-in closet. Here is the full walk-in closet. Wow, again, built outs, which is really nice. They give you a lot of room. Again, another laundry. So that is your full bath right there. Huge shower. Nice, beautiful shower. Looks like a rain shower. Nice seating. That is your master bath as we exit again. There's a full shot of your master bedroom. So kind of nice as you exit here, you're going to have a full half bath in the top, which is kind of nice if you need to go to the bathroom. You don't want people using your ensuite bath. You got a half bath up here. You got a half bath. You've got a, looks like a closet with, again, ironing board and things like that in it. Iron. And then here's your beautiful kitchen. She stocked our fridge. Well, they went to the grocery store. This is the best part of this whole place. And they did all this. Look at this job this sweet lady did. I mean, she did a fantastic job. So she went and bought us drinks, everything. Everything's done. I don't know if we bought anything that needed freezer room. A couple things that needed freezer. But look at this. I mean, they got us everything we needed. She did such an incredible job. So that is just awesome. Then we obviously got dry goods and things like that, and she put those away somewhere. And then here is your full kitchen. You're gonna have a range, which is kind of nice. That's awesome, with a stove and an oven. Huge deep sink. That's beautiful. And again, views are breathtaking. Huge island. I mean, look at this island. Look at this. Look at this full living area with a microwave. And then again, we're just gonna finish off here real quick. Full kitchen table. I mean, that'll sit 2, 4, 6, 8. You can even pull up some chairs. Looks like a little bar cart area. And as we round here, this is your living room. Plenty of seating. Huge, what looks like about a 75-inch television. Ample seating room. Another fireplace. So when it's cold outside, it's warm in here. And then the last thing we're going to show you, right here is when you walk outside, you've got a Weber grill, which is fantastic. So you've got your own Weber grill. And then this is your view from the balcony. And actually what it looks like, they got more seating out here and another fireplace. Beautiful. What a room. So that is going to wrap up. And then you walk back in here and that's it. It's gonna wrap up our room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What is this, a 1, 2, 3, a 4-bedroom, I think 3-bath, absolutely beautiful house, multiple fireplaces, TVs in every room, ample room. Check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you soon.